The Supreme Court's decision to hear Donald Trump's claim that he should be shielded from criminal prosecution keeps the justices at the center of election year controversy for several more months and means any verdict on Trump's alleged subversion of the 2020 vote will not come before summer. The country's highest court wants the final word on the former president's assertion of immunity, even if it may ultimately affirm a comprehensive ruling of the lower federal court that rejected Trump's sweeping claim. For Trump, Wednesday's order amounts to another win from the justice system he routinely attacks. The justice's intervention in the case, Trump versus United States, also marks another milestone in the fraught relationship between the court and the former president. Cases related to his policies and his personal dealings consistently roiled the justices behind the scenes. At the same time, Trump, who appointed 3 of the 9 justices, significantly influenced the court's lurch to the right, most notably its 2022 reversal of nearly a half-century of abortion rights and reproductive freedom. Wednesday's action by the High Court, made up of 6 conservatives and 3 liberals, plainly gives Trump a new measure of success and buys him more time before possible trial on election subversion in Washington, D.C. The former president's strategy of trying to delay the 4 criminal trials against him is well documented. And in fighting special counsel Jack Smith's case, the Supreme Court has become an ally of sorts, despite the expedited schedule. The court said Trump's appeal would be heard the week of April 22. A decision could come by the end of June, when the final rulings for the current session are expected. Overall, the timetable is fast compared to the regular calendar for high court briefing, oral arguments, and eventual resolution, which typically plays out over many months or close to a year. Other cases accepted this month for review will not be heard until next fall, with decisions likely in 2025. But for the political calendar, and Trump's effort to avoid federal trial before the presidential election, the new schedule injects a new level of uncertainty. Trump may not be tried for his conduct related to the 2020 election before the 2024 election occurs. Wednesday's announcement took a surprising amount of time to even deliver. Filings in the case had been pending for about 2 weeks, and the delay perhaps suggested differences among the justices on how to handle the controversy at this threshold stage. Some might have wanted to simply leave in place the D.C. Circuit decision, which hewed to past high court rulings. The justices did not publicly reveal how they voted. Crimes strike at the heart of our democracy. Trump faces charges related to his refusal to accept the 2020 election results, including conspiracy and obstruction tied to the Capitol attack. Special counsel Smith argues against presidential immunity for such crimes, stating they undermine democracy. Despite Trump's appeal, the D.C. Circuit upheld the decision. Trump's lawyers cite Smith's urgency for Supreme Court involvement, but the court denied the request. The D.C. Circuit ruled that as a citizen, Trump lacks executive immunity. While Trump may lack a fair chance at immunity, the court remains open to hearing his case.